And we have also 200 shillings entertainment allowance. We have 260,562,000 for monthly fuel. Monthly housing allowance, that is 300,000 shillings. We have 2 cooks, 4 housekeepers, 2 laundry personnel, 4 house cleaners, 4 personal assistants, 4 secretaries, 4 messengers, 4 drivers, as we've seen there, security guards, 6 of them, office space personnel. I want you just to comment also on the send of that you can see. Maybe we can begin with you, Isaac Mwaura, for the president.
I think. Well, I envy these packages, and I think anyone would want to be president if you can get a gratuity of 4 million and about 1.4 million, if not more, of money. Because if you count 1.2 million monthly income, 200K for entertainment, actually it's a lot. Another 300 for housing allowance, that makes it 1.7, 300,000 for electricity, 2 million. And then fuel 216, so about 2 million shillings as your salary. And then you have 2 cooks and housekeepers and all of that. It looks very good, but it's good to treat presidents with dignity. I think it also encourages them to retire so that they do not end up in penury. There's a former president, I think, in the West African country, this is Senegal, who now has been reduced to a pauper. And by the way, what people don't know, and it's good to say here, maybe Kipruto Kiro is more, he has more authority on this. You know, when you're in this political office, you live at a certain standard, and people still expect you to continue living that way after you've left office. For parliamentarians, for example, when you have served 2 terms, you are entitled to a monthly pension of about 100,000 and a lump sum of about 6 million.